Welcome to the Easy Fix It channel, and we're going to talk about global smartphone shipments and what is the prediction for the upcoming year or so. So we know that the pandemic has affected smartphone sales quite a lot. They fell by 20%, huge number here, 20% since the beginning of the year. So it shows that people are hanging on to their old phone, actually. So what are the predictions? Who are the big players that are selling phones? Well, the number one seller of phones for 2020 and also 2021 will be Samsung Electronics. So Samsung remains the top player. It will have sold 295 million units by 2021, which is pretty nice. It also will be followed by Apple. Apple, solid number two at 235.7 million. 235.7 million. Then we have Xiaomi at 166.8 million. So they're actually pretty much the only company that's going up even during the pandemic, which is kind of interesting. And finally, we will have Huawei that is dipped terribly and, of course, has a lot to do with the ongoing battle with the United States. They will go from 240.5 in 2019 to 192.7 in 2020. And only 59 million units by 2021. So this is really destroying the company, basically. So Samsung Electronics, number one, Apple, solid number two. That's what pretty much we see in numbers. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.